In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your age on your Discord account. So first of all, once we are on our Discord homepage right here, we need to head over to the top right hand corner and click on this little help option. So once we click on this, it will then redirect you over to another tab, and what we can do now is we can simply click on submit our request right here at the top of the page. Once we click on submit our request, we now need to click on this drop down menu where we will need to select trust and safety. So once we click on this, you will then get these options right here. So first of all, enter in your email address. Once you have entered in your email address, you can click on the next drop down menu, and we need to now click on appeals, age update and other questions. Once we click on this, click on the next drop down menu, and now we will need to click on update my age information. From here, you can enter in your phone number if you want to do that, but this is optional, so you can also leave that blank. And then what you can do then is you can enter in your date of birth, and this is the date of birth that you want to be listed on your Discord account. So once we've entered in our date of birth, we can then click on this to confirm, and we can now go down to the subject. So just put something like age update. Once we put in age update, you will need to enter in a little brief description. So we could put something just as simple as this. So just something really simple like this will do. And once we have obviously entered all the information, we can then click on the submit button right down there at the bottom. Once we click on submit, what you will then do is you will get a little message in the top right hand corner saying your request was successfully submitted, and then they will get back to you via email. So that's how easy it is to change your age on your Discord.